How to create a subdomain and install WordPress in Hostinger. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a subdomain and install WordPress on Hostinger. It's a quick and easy way to create separate sections for your website. So let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account and head to the control panel, also known as H panel. From there, click on the hosting tab and select your domain. Now, scroll down to the domains section and click on subdomains. In the provided field, enter your desired subdomain name like blog or shop, then click create. Hostinger will set up your domain instantly. Once your subdomain is ready, go to the auto installer tool in H panel. Select WordPress, and when asked for the domain, choose your new subdomain from the drop-down list. Fill in the necessary information such as your admin username, email, and password. Click install, and Hostinger will begin the WordPress setup. Once installed, you can access your WordPress dashboard by visiting your subdomain. For example, blog.yourdomain.com/wp-admin. You're now ready to start building your subdomain website. And that's it, you've successfully created a subdomain and installed WordPress on Hostinger. For more tips and customizing your website, check the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.